This is my easy peel method for boiling eggs. Get the eggs to room temperature, and I check the eggs over and make sure I don't see any signs of weakness. Because I'm going to turn this heat on, and that heat is going to help the eggs come closer to room temperature. I turn my temperature down a little bit, and then I'm going to take each egg, put it in here, and just set it right down in there. And you want to set the timer for 8 minutes. Let's shut this off. And take these out of the water. And nothing has cracked. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to peel the egg. I like to get a little water. Kind of hit them a little bit. And then just coming right off very easily. And that is a beautiful egg. Perfect egg. The shell just coming right off. The egg is whole. And it's so nice after for years just struggling with boiled eggs, and now there they are. Perfect.